Hi everyone, today I wanted to show you my simple and natural face cleansing routine. For those of you who have watched some of my previous videos, I have talked about a couple of these things before, but I haven't specifically addressed just my face cleansing routine, so I'm excited to show you guys how simple it really is. And I only use 3 things when cleaning my face, and that is some almond oil, a washcloth, and some rose water. And I begin just by washing and cleansing the face with my almond oil and my washcloth. And it does act, of course, as a cleanser, but also as a makeup remover. So once I've cleaned the face, removed my makeup, scrubbed everything really well, I then spray some of this rose water onto my face and neck. And rose water is actually really super beneficial for the skin, from cleansing and cleaning your pores to reducing redness and acne, all the way to keeping lines and wrinkles at bay. So it's actually really great for that purpose. And if you guys were interested in reading a little bit more about it, I did attach an article below, so you guys can look at that. So after I spray this again on my face and my neck, then I return back to my almond oil and use it as a moisturizer all over my face. So I am going to demonstrate this all for you guys in a minute, and it might seem kind of like a repeat of my shower routine video, but that's just because the cleansing process is kind of similar. But today you guys get to see how easy it is to remove the makeup, cleanse the face, and moisturize the skin, all with only these couple of products. So I'll start by removing my makeup, and then I'll exfoliate and scrub my face really well. So my washcloth here, it's already soaked in warm water, and that's ready for me to use. And I'm just gonna start by rubbing the almond oil all into my face. So I'm gonna give myself a generous amount, and then I'm just going to go ahead and rub it all into my face, along my hairline. And if you wear face makeup, which I don't wear any face makeup, but if you do, this is gonna help remove that makeup along with removing the dirt and the dust. So actually all of my makeup is on my eyes, so I'm gonna take this and just rub it into my eyes to remove all of that. And what I really like about you can see it's kind of already coming off, but what I really like about the almond oil as a makeup remover is that it really does remove everything, as opposed to some products which kind of leave you with like the raccoon eye when you're already completely done removing it and that shadow just never goes away. So this really does help. So I'm going to take my washcloth and I'm just going to gently dab it into my eyes. I'm just pressing. I'm trying not to like pull at my eye skin too much. Trying to be gentle. You can kind of like get under the eye too. And I'm just doing that first so I can get rid of the majority of my makeup. You can just take that off. And then I can just like to kind of swipe at the rest of my face. So if you do wear foundation, this is the part where you would be removing all of that, any blush, any kind of face makeup. I like to get underneath my chin too, make sure I'm doing a really good job. You can see that the almond oil does a really good job of taking off, eyeliner and mascara. So I'm just gonna keep doing that. So at this point, most of the makeup is already gone. I can even take off some of my lipstick I had on. And then you can go ahead and rinse it again. So I just wanted to rinse that off so I can get most of the makeup gone. And now I'm gonna really go and exfoliate the whole face area. So I like to kind of emphasize the T-zone and wherever you personally are more prone to breakout. So for me, it's along the hairline. I like to really get that area really well. So you can just scrub. I like to get the forehead, again, going along my hairline. You can get under the chin. I even get, around my mouth pretty well. You can get by the eyes too. And once I'm done really scrubbing my face really well, and while my face is still kind of damp and it has that moisture in it, I like to take my rose water and then I'll just close my eyes, spray a good amount on there. It smells really good, it feels very refreshing. And then I will again come back to my almond oil, give myself a little bit in my hand, and then I will again rub that into my face as a moisturizer. So I usually do this at night before bed, and it leaves my skin feeling really clean and also moist. So I actually kind of gave myself a good amount, so it's looking pretty shiny right now, and then any excess I like to rub into my neck. You can put the rest down your arms. And then I usually like to end again with just a last little spray of Rosewater, just because it does feel so refreshing. So I just close my eyes, do that again a couple times, and I am all done. That was my whole natural, clean face routine. It was really simple, so hopefully this kind of gave you guys a nice other option for something that's really fast and, you know, using products that are completely clean. So if you guys did enjoy this video, then please give me a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel if this topic interested you, because I have other ones that are similar. And also, if you wanted to get some of these items and products, I put them all in the description box below, so you guys can check that out. And thanks again for listening, and I will see you all next week.